Borussia Dortmund's Bundesliga title hopes have been waylaid on matchday 24. They had the opportunity to dent Bayern München's whilst bolstering their own top four chances. It was billed as a battle of star strikers, and Erling Haaland and Robert Lewandowski delivered. Dortmund's frontman was the first to lay down the marker after just 75 seconds with what was the very first shot of the game. It was the fastest goal scored in Der Klassiker since Jan Koller's opener after 68 seconds in May 2006. But Haaland wasn't done there, as Dortmund head out of the traps to double their advantage before the 10-minute mark. Hazard the unselfish provider, as Haaland moved on to 19 goals in 19 games in the current campaign. The only player with more goals to his name than Haaland this season is Robert Lewandowski, who got Bayern back into the game when he reduced the arrears with a simple tap-in after fantastic work by Leroy Sané. It was part of a strong finish that saw Bayern level the scores before half-time when Kingsley Coman won a penalty. That left Lewandowski to break the 30-goal mark for the fourth time in his Bundesliga career to send the sides in level at the break after a breathtaking first half in Bavaria. The showdown of the Bundesliga sharpshooters was cut short in the second half, though, when Dortmund lost Haaland to injury before the hour mark. It opened the door for Bayern to dominate without the threat of Haaland on the counter, but they had to wait until the 88th minute for their pressure to tell when Leon Goretzka found the bottom corner. Putting the cherry on top of a stunning comeback, Robert Lewandowski then completed his hat-trick as his march towards breaking Gerd Müller's 40-goal all-time record continued apace. Disappointment for Dortmund. For Bayern, a performance worthy of champions at the end.
Who supplies it?